Moxy's first time in the snow, and she likes it. What are you doing there? What are you doing, little bear? Little bear, don't get too cold. You got yourself in too deep, bear. Okay, yeah, let's put you in the sled. Look, we made you a sled. Here's a little towel. Ready? Jump on in there.
Not the sled. Have her walk through the snow again.
No. We'll do that at the park. She's getting a little cold. Okay, bear. Don't worry. We made a sled to pull you. Sit down.
Here, I'll pull it.
No, just have her sit. Make her sit so that she's cozy.
Put her in there.
Sit down, bear. Sit. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. She just doesn't know what it is.
We gotta get to the park first.
You're okay, bear. You're okay.
Let's just walk her to the park.
Moxy, it's okay. You're okay. You're okay, bear. I know it was too deep for you, wasn't it? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.